Claude AI is an advanced AI assistant developed by Anthropic. It's excellent for long-form writing, research and document analysis, business emails and reports, safe, clear, and structured responses. Brain what you'll learn today. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to use Claude AI effectively, write better prompts, apply Claude for business, content, and learning, avoid beginner mistakes. Step-by-step tutorial. White heavy checkmark. Step 1. Access Claude AI. Visit Claude.ai. Sign up or log in with email or Google free version is enough to start. White heavy checkmark. Step 2. Understand the interface chat box where you type prompts, upload button, upload PDFs, docs, text files, conversation history, revisit past chats. White heavy checkmark. Step 3. Write powerful prompts. Very important. Bad prompt crossmark. Write about logistics. Good prompt. White heavy checkmark. Act as a logistics consultant. Write a 500-word guide explaining how small logistics businesses in Nigeria can use AI to reduce delivery delays. Use simple language. Pushpin. Prompt formula. Role plus task plus context plus output style. White heavy checkmark. Step 4. Practical use cases, examples, receipt business and work. Write proposals and reports, draft professional emails, summarize long documents, movie camera, content creation, YouTube scripts, shorts, /reels, captions, SEO, blog posts, books, learning and research, explain complex topics, simply summarize PDFs and notes, exam revision guides. White heavy checkmark. Step 5. Upload documents, power feature fire. You can upload PDFs, Word documents, text files, then prompt. Summarize this document into exam-ready bullet points. Claude is especially good with long documents. Warning: common mistakes to avoid: crossmark, vague prompts, crossmark, expecting perfect output without refining, crossmark, not giving context, crossmark, copy-pasting without editing, rocket. Pro tips: ask Claude to improve its own answer request tables, bullet points, or steps. Combine Claude with tools like Canva or CapCut for content creation.